All right, algebra students, let's look at Unit 6, Lesson 11, graphing from the factored form. So our lesson goals here are, I can graph a quadratic function given in factored form. So we're going to be looking at factored form and trying to figure out what information we can get from factored form that will help us graph the function easier. I know how to find the vertex and y-intercept of the graph of a quadratic function in factored form without graphing it first. So the idea here is, can I use factored form to find the vertex and the y-intercept? If I can do that, that can help me with some of my graphing. All right, just a reminder on our vocabulary words, we have factored form, which is the form a times the sum of x plus m times the sum of x plus n. So here is our factored part. This is our constant. Then we have standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. These a's tend to be the same. That's why we use the same letter for them. All right, so your warm-up is, you have this graph with these 3 points. Notice that they're all letters. None of them are numbers. Your job is to figure out what numbers would replace each of those letters. Here's a graph of the function w defined by w of x equals x plus 1.6 times x minus 2. 3 points on the graph are labeled. Find the values of a, b, c, d, e, and f. And please explain how you got the values you got. Okay, our goal here is to try and figure this out without graphing, because we want to understand how the math helps us with the graphing. So try to mathematically figure out what A, B, C, D, E, and F are, and then bring that to class tomorrow with your explanations, and that will start our discussion. Thanks.